How do I manage my LISTSERV site using the web interface? From the LISTSERV homepage, the first thing you need to do is to log in. If you have administrative privileges, a collapsible server administration section will appear in the main navigation menu after you have logged in. From this menu, you can visit the dashboard for an overview of your LISTSERV site. This includes information about your version, license, antivirus protection, and technical support. You can also make changes to your site configuration, customize the appearance of your LISTSERV site, assess the deliverability of your list mail, create and delete email lists, generate reports of your site activity, customize your site pages and administrative messages, and create or modify HTML newsletter templates for your site. Thank you for watching.